Ihat to
Oy,
din.
copy me. Go in ni Dito mo fight
Full
dire
zone na, full zone na.
Yung trench.
We go in ni guys, we go in ni. Party to, keep scouting dia, party to, gawsin yung isa ka tao
Another
Ayaw
build
ko.
volcano, wait lang.
Kitsa na.
Wait lang, sugaton ako. Ako na sugat Lisi.
Okay, ready ready We are back again Then we go back Delta guys, okay? Zone any. Wala on tani guys, okay? Sorry gani akong play guys.
05
Okay, survive Delta, okay. Bobo. Okay. Sunod lang mo. Bangbuangon ta mo. Mura mo gikuan, tawagan na
What info sequence ra ba? Basta ni Dungeon to sila.
Yeah,
Sequence
tsukay.
volcano, DL12.
Sequence volcano, okay. Yung
wait.
iba pasok sa NW, yung iba pasok sa NE din Arbac. We are back volcano guys. Okay, dapat pumasok kayo sa volcano guys.
Wala pa sila nag-comment din po ba? Ano?
Keep scouting lang, keep scouting.
51 150 ang be.
Doon sila nag-fight sila da.
Di wala ra. Katro ta ni.
Okay. Listen, we are back, okay? Dapat yung iba doon sa NE pumasok guys. Spread. Then Arbac. We go back Delta.
Nasa DK nag-hold daw minions ha.
Nag-hold do DK ang ano, minions.
No, let them. Kita ngilang tripan. Raulo mo
Nana.
yun, no? Arbac now.
Okay, run ta 1v1.
Nasa step ang yan.
Okay,
Arbac now.
An old gods, Kalio.
Check and play di yan. Hindi kuha sa kuha Katrot.
Pila day.
30 plus pa rin siya.
30 plus?
Di ay, fighting ni PSG. Ay, PSG nga 12 dire.
Ang
Summer's ticket?
Volcano.
Hold lang.
Katrot 22 ug PSG fighting sa bay. 12 versus
Ilan D8 on Summers?
Wala pa mini zone out sa smuggler bomb ha.
Yeah. Dako on Summers. 23?
22 din.
Oh, kaya.
31 na sila pag 12 bro ba?
Kung Summers ra gamay ran sila.
30 na daw, 30 na.
Pero ni Alliance,
Puta na. Hold lang. Let them fight. Fuck, man.
Fighting
Hold lang Ayaw mo pa scout. Hold lang. Let them pass through, guys.
so you
31 day ganyan sa 12 UTC. Asa padulong ang Summers? Shoal, okay. Let them pass through. Let them pass through, guys. Okay? Let them pass through.
Fighting PSG ug kuan.
Guys. Huwag mo kayo mag-out, guys.
Uy, minions na nasabi ang minions. Minions ba ni? Ay, Summers na nasabi ang Summers. Zoning na sila bay. Zoning na ba yung
Okay.
Summers?
Okay, hold lang, guys, okay? Okay, copy me na. Volcano, copy me, Volcano, guys. Then hold SE. Just hold SE, guys. Please, hold SE. Hold SE. Careful. There's Zerg sa NW,
Level 25, Summers.
Sequence.
30 daw.
Wait.
30.
Wait,
Lang,
careful.
Fully zone bumabong.
3150 daw
Fully
Delta.
zone bumabong. Inyaro bom. Yan, napasa shell ang
Kardo pag may
No,
kardo.
don't zone. Fuck, man. Relax. Guys, wait.
Full zoning Summers.
Okay
Full
na.
zoning Summers bay.
Okay, zone now. Careful mo sa kanang sequence,
Natin ka. Nasaan rin bugo?
Zone now.
Okay, dito na Summers. DA 28 currently. Ano ba yun? Tapos.
Zone now, guys.
Kapasrat.
Three-way fight sa DB 12, 20,
Ay, party 2! Out na mo niya, party 2! I-dep din yung Delta, hoy! Party 2! Fuck, man. Di nyo naman, out na mo niya, party 2! Out na mo,
Sino ba nasa Delta?
Party 2! Out na mo niya sa dungeon! Go Delta! I-hold na ninyo!
Ticket
Ano yan? Naswalo yan!
Kung maliit lang sila, reset na lang.
Pero kung ano di kaya, wag
15,
pilitin
15, day 15.
The swallow?
Hindi, loyalist.
Loyalist.
Hindi ka ba nagkapan nila ba?
The swallow.
Tara, lamugin na lang natin.
Okay.
Nay,
Nakuha
block
na.
na show lagi. Yun sa manay. Nay, kasunod.
Di kaya.
Ang botoy, lisod lang yung magod ba? Amang magod ka, Cardo. Amang ka. Scout pa ka. It's okay. We sage. Let's go.
Ay, other blob shoal going to B. Manatan eh.
Cabin B. I-open lang natin yung first gate tapos may life curse, okay? Drop Q1. Drop Q sa chest, okay? Copy B. Cam Delta, guys. Cam Delta. Day 15 lang yan. Kaya yan.
Stay 4,000 ping. Yawa eh.
Namatay rin yung Stardog.
Tardo?
Patay Stardog.
Siya nag-AFK sulod.
AFK na yan.
Mas kamunlid mo na bandis eh.
Type na awa man Asa sa namatay?
Road Castle.
AFK.
AFK? Blob ticket.
Nani ay.
Day
Come,
70
come,
ng solo.
Oya,
Day
come. We fight them.
Ping ka, ating sa
My brawlers. Ibonk niyo ang SE, okay? Ibonk yung SE, my brawlers. Bonk now, my brawlers. Go SE.
42. 42 sir.
Blob sa.
Mga brawlers. Kaso ay mga hammer ata na sila.
Nako. Padulang ko.
Holding Northwest na sila, pre.
42 club sa main guard.
Ito, holding Northwest.
Okay, dismount.
Blob
Careful mo dyan, guys. Careful mo dyan. Careful. Kill the mobs. Kill the mobs.
Hindi nag-scout sa ticket.
Nay, hold nga blob dito ako tanon.
Ako sa show.
Northeast.
Keep bonking naman, may brawler sa southeast, okay? Clap sila, guys.
Sa southeast, ay southwest.
I-mark na ko yung color, ha? I-mark lang yung color, ha? Mark yung color nila. Kanang 97 GG. Careful. Ito, i-mark ko yung Choji, ha? I-mark na ko yung Choji, okay? Party 1, nakamark kayo mga Party 1. Sa gate lang, on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, gate lang. Then go back pass. Careful. You will engage. Careful. Looking sila. Keep bonking sa my brawlers. Keep bonking. Careful. Fuck, man. Wait. Keep bonking. On me, guys. Wait lang. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate lang. Ano? Pasan di ring. Unsa man ka wala kay. Wala kay golem.
Nagkuhan ko. Nag-scout ko gikan. Balik pa ko.
Keep bonking, my brawlers kayo. I-clear niyo ang maps niya.
Keep the po.
Wait. Chill lang. Ready may guard drone. Pag walk in sila, guard drone. Careful. Nice.
Bonking me southeast second.
Yeah, keep bonking. Ibong nyo lang. On me, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa gate. Then go back pass. Keep bonking lang. Oh, bam. Nice. Keep healing lang. Keep bonking. Gawin sa inyo, brawlers. Keep bonking. Full bonk guys. Careful sa depth tank sa south sa Tower. Depth tank, look. Diakalip. Ilok nyo, kill. Wait. Careful.
Pabang sa locking.
Looking. We bonk. On me, guys. Sa gate lang. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, gate. Then go back pass.
Sige, di south.
Ay, looking west, west.
Okay, okay. Nice bomb. Kill nyo. Low sila. Careful, ano. Deep east. Wait.
Horse locking, ha?
Ikot
Horse
nyo na, ha.
locking.
Keep bonking, guys. Gawas lang color. 5 agad. 5 shallow ring lang. Inside. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate. Fuck, man.
Bong,
No
bong,
damage,
bong,
ba?
bong.
Keep bonking. Shipper. Heal me. Put up low C. Sorry, put up lang.
Bigas na magbong.
Ano, hosted ako eh.
Careful. Keep bonking, my brawlers. Keep bonking. Alright, looking. Nice. Shallow ring. 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate. Go back. My brawlers, go. Keep rolling lang mo dia. My brawlers, okay? Keep bonking. Ibol nyo, full bonk yung mga sa west side. Full bonk kayo.
Shipper.
Heal inside.
51 west side gate.
Heal inside.
Back.
Ito. Bomb nila. Isisin nyo yung bomb nila. I-roll yung bomb. Bigas, sa gate lang. Wait lang, hold. Sa gate lang. Ano, depth tanks inside on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate.
Looking, wait lang.
Pass, go back. No damage talaga pa. Careful, headback.
Locking na.
Keep bonking. I-random overturn ha. Wait lang, by brawlers. Ready mo dyan, my brawlers. Wait lang. Okay. Wait lang. Clear the mobs. Clear the mobs.
Behind you.
Blab sa likod.
Big blob.
Unsa na? Clear the mobs.
Clear the map, sir. Clear the map.
Brawlers. Unsa input niyo diyan? Pwede mo mura pa raw sila ano? Wait. Looking. Ready that. Unsa na nga Zerg?
Cutthroat. 18 DA. Cutthroat.
Wait. Putang ina oy. Di mo
Cutthroat.
ka bay. Ganun di ka maposisyon bay. Inigbati ka on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me lang.
Aral sila sa south isa.
Rollers. Bantay ang isang pinulyo.
Yeah, keep bonking.
Dismount na isa.
Yeah, keep bonking lang.
Sila south is ang cutthroat.
Keep bonking.
Locking na.
OC now. Careful ha. Padawan.
Locking
Looking. No, my brothers. Alin mo sa my brothers.
Nasa west side ang cutthroat. West side ang cutthroat.
Look, shallow this lang. Me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, give it. Nice, good shit. Wait, careful. Na GA, gawa ka GDA mo.
Shipper.
Zinod, bro. Putang ina, bobo mo naman.
West side ang
Action time
cutthroat.
mo, guys.
Nasa sud na sa cutthroat.
Keep bonking. Tatro, looking. Eject, wait, hold lang. Keep bonking, ibok nyo diri. Ready, ha? We walk in, guys. Ready. My brawlers. Isaac sunod, ha? Isaac sunod, my brawlers, ha? Ready, keep bonking.
Gawas na swallow.
Jump side. Walk with them, Put 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, chok. Where's the big bro? Looking sila. Wait lang. Nice. Good shit. Walk with them, guys. Topo dying. Kill Topo, guys. Ito si Topo. Wait. Kill Topo. Wait. 5 again. 41 walking on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. 41. No, wait. Heal me. I'm dead.
Quick cleanse eh.
Take over.
Grabe bay, wala gid mumukin akong death tank bay. Hildunhod ban lang.
Sandaling. Patay ko.
Wala kayong color. Kipo.
Lord Dome. Spread sa Lord Dome.
Yawa gid akong death tank.
Look at northwest. Yo, engage northwest. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa perma. Hello. Finish. Yo, kites. Stay in the Lord Dome. Stay
Ito, imat mo ko kulingon mo.
Stay sa Lord Dome. Stay sa Lord.
Stay sa
Lord. Wait lang, ay.
Looking. Nice. Na J. Looking
Mark
looking
yung
looking.
Mark yung togling, Mark yung togling.
It's a pick. Get ready. Get ready.
Oy,
Get ready. Shallow again. West. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa perma. Look the perma. Yo, come. Spread the ball. Puta, no. Mamatay kayo. Yo, where's my bomb? Punta kay north konti. Punta kay north konti. Down the stairs. On the ping, guys. On the ping. Sabay tayo sa bomb. Now, look at southeast. Yo, baba kayo.
Bro, no.
Baba kayo.
Looking sila.
Oh, tangina. Yo, east of the Lord room. Yo, tignan nyo stop. Tofu. In the middle. Wait. Counter. 5.
Looking.
Counter. Ano, wala akong clown tang. Patay tayo, ubos. Wala.
Kipo, take over, Kipo.
Saan pa mga bomb mo?
Bugay ko. Kapta ka.
Isang duha namatay dito sa ano, pag-ingit niya mo.
Atong bomb. Ganun wala.
Mukalihok eh, buhay mo ano, wait guys.
Reflector.
Tang. Uy.
Uy, kanina yung ulan mo dito.
No.
Ano ka, balik ka?
Ay.
Siya nga to,
Try to balik.
na to.
Ganay mo, Col?
Burkino ko.
Hello, guys. Do you guys need color? Come back.
Shipper.
Go. Sige na, go.
I-call ninyo, minto nag-alert pa sila. Nag-taking pa sa Lord.
I-mark si ano, Victus.
Kailangan nyo ba ng color? Guys,
Yes,
can you guys mark me?
The swallow, nibalik. Nasa west side. The swallow, west side.
Wait, iatag na ako sa isa.
Copy sila.
Chill.
Sa iatag na ako sa Musa.
Come. Ready, left. Guys, walk in. Hold them.
I-mark sige po.
This is the party ones. This is the other. Everyone else.
The swallow, west side.
3, 2, 1. Just drop. Guys, may bomb. Come with me. On top of me now. 5,
Okay, sa buhay sa party 2.
3, 2, 1. Everything na. Dami sure na ka. Oh my god. Come northwest.
Not so.
Pinatsokora?
Oo.
Pamark sige po.
Sige, sa?
Do you guys still have a main zerg?
Sige.
Looking sila. Engage.
Nalanin mo na to, i-mark sige.
Swallow and Katrot engage.
Mark.
Engage
Bomb,
sila
bomb.
sa swallow. Engage.
Salwan.
I-regroup sa siguro.
I tell when bomb will engage. Come. Okay.
Buhay pa swallow.
Main zerg. Southeast.
Loyalist bomb.
East.
East.
Shallow. Okay, bomb, southwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just shallow on this guy, on this ditang. Kill this ditang, please. Okay, go back. Go back. Careful front. Main zerg, do you guys have cooldowns? Ready, come southwest. Everyone come, walk up. Just the main zerg. Yeah, careful, shipper. Main zerg southwest. 3, 2, 1. Southwest, main zerg. Southwest. Kill it. Ready defensive. Bomb squad. Miss Walker jacket. South now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now.
Nice.
Kill everything, south now.
Nice.
Nice spread. Spread inside the road. Spread inside road. Ready defensive.
Running sila sa west.
Left.
Now holding west.
Now capture the castle.
Hold west, dito.
Guys, ready.
Holding sila sa west.
Main zerg, third in 5.
Nag-engage sila.
Everything main zerg, chest. Bomb squad.
Nag-engage sila sa kuha.
Bomb squad. Miss jacket down. Southwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Bomb. Okay, go back. Everyone ready def southwest ah. I need
Dol,
someone to watch
sisa,
southwest.
balik sa kakalaw, Dol.
Southwest. Chill, you guys can cap the castle. It kill once. Careful on the front. Careful on the front. Capture the castle. Evra, come. Main zerg southwest. Southwest main zerg in 3, 2, 1. Just the main zerg southwest. Nice. Okay, good. Open the chest and chill. Trigger if you can. Hold.
Nice, okay nyo.
Come southwest in
Bakit naman
5,
ano,
4,
nakap nyo na
3,
par.
2, 1. Southwest bomb. Okay. Click out. Main zerg, click out. Are you guys afraid? Come southeast. Chase this guys. Hello, main zerg. Come. Kill that guy on top of you. Come. Stop them. Okay, come. Main Zerg, chase, hold. Hold here, go back. Everyone go back castle. Go back castle. Chill. Everyone, regroup first. Ala ka, Boom, andito ka na ba?